Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to open initial tools in your Windows 10 or 11. So guys, Windows offer almost all type of necessary tools like calculator, currency converter and all type of calculator that calculate and some another useful tools. Just search here firstly calculator, open it. Now click here. So here you will see a range of tools like temperature, currency converter, speed and timer. So you so you cal so you calculate hours into minutes, energy, you can change as your choice. So thanks for watching, and this way you can use some useful calculator in your Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop.